Online learning has become a staple of modern education, offering convenience and flexibility like never before. Whether you're pursuing a degree, taking a certification course, or just learning something new for fun, virtual classes provide an incredible opportunity to learn from anywhere in the world. But let's face it, staying productive and excelling in a virtual class environment isn't always as easy as it seems. Without the structure of a traditional classroom, it can be difficult to stay on task and engaged. If you want to get the most out of your online courses, this video is here to guide you with some essential tips. So let's dive into the top tips for mastering online learning and achieving virtual class success. 1. Create a dedicated workspace. First things first, your environment matters more than you might think. Having a dedicated quiet study space can have a huge impact on your productivity. Try to find a spot where you can set up all your learning essentials, from a comfortable chair to a spacious desk, good lighting, and, of course, a reliable internet connection. This helps to keep your mind focused and ready for learning. When you're in your study zone, you'll associate that space with productivity and concentration. On the flip side, trying to study in bed or the living room with distractions all around can make it harder to stay on track. Here's a little pro tip. Keep your workspace clutter-free. A messy desk can lead to a messy mind. Organize your materials and remove unnecessary distractions so you can stay focused and productive throughout your study sessions. 2. Establish a routine. One of the biggest challenges of online learning is the lack of a clear structure. Without the routine of in-person classes, it can be easy to let your study schedule slip. That's why establishing a routine is absolutely crucial for success. Start by setting specific times each day for attending classes, completing assignments, and even for taking breaks. By treating your virtual class schedule like a regular school day, you'll create a sense of structure that will help you stay disciplined. And don't forget to make time for breaks. You need time to refresh your mind and recharge. If you treat study blocks as non-negotiable commitments, you'll stay consistent and focused. To help you stay organized, consider using digital tools like Google Calendar, Microsoft Outlook, or apps like Notion or Todoist. These tools allow you to schedule your tasks, set reminders, and visualize your week in advance, ensuring that nothing gets overlooked. 3. Master time management. Time management is one of the most important skills when it comes to online learning. With all the flexibility, it can be easy to procrastinate or waste time on things that aren't productive. But the good news is that with the right time management techniques, you can maximize your efficiency and stay on top of everything. One popular method is the Pomodoro technique. Work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. After 4 cycles, take a longer break. This method helps prevent burnout by ensuring you stay productive, but also giving you short intervals to rest. It's all about balance. It's also important to note that multitasking isn't your friend when it comes to online learning. While it may seem like you're doing more, multitasking often leads to mistakes and decreases your overall productivity. Focus on one task at a time, and you'll get through it faster and more effectively. 4. Engage actively in class. It's easy to just sit back and passively watch videos or listen to lectures, but this won't help you retain the information. Active engagement is key to really absorbing the material. If you're watching a lecture, make sure to take detailed notes, ask questions when something doesn't make sense, and participate in any live discussions or Q&A sessions. Most online courses offer discussion forums or group chat features. Use these to your advantage. Asking questions and interacting with your peers not only helps you understand the content better, but it also keeps you engaged and motivated throughout the course. Active participation will make the learning experience much more rewarding, and the information will stick with you longer. Plus, it's a great way to connect with your classmates and foster a sense of community, even in a virtual setting. 5. Build connections with classmates and instructors. Online learning can sometimes feel isolating, but it doesn't have to be that way. Networking and building connections with your classmates and instructors is just as important in a virtual environment as it is in a physical classroom. Use discussion boards, group chats, and virtual office hours to engage with others. You'll not only learn from each other, but also create a network of people who can support you through your studies. Reach out to your instructors if you need help or clarification on course material. Most instructors are more than happy to assist you, and it's a great way to demonstrate your commitment to the course. Building these connections can also benefit you beyond the course itself. You never know when a fellow student or instructor might offer valuable career advice, share job opportunities, or help you navigate the challenges of your field. 6. Stay organized with tech tools. Online learning is full of information, lectures, assignments, notes, and resources. Staying organized is essential if you want to keep track of everything and avoid feeling overwhelmed. Use digital tools to help you stay organized. Applications like Trello or Asana can help you create to-do lists and track assignments and deadlines. Google Drive or Dropbox can be used to keep all of your documents and course materials in one place, so you never have to search for that one important file again. Consider using apps like Evernote for note-taking, or OneNote if you prefer a more visual approach. These tools will help you organize your thoughts and easily access your materials whenever you need them. And don't forget to back up your files regularly, especially if you're working on assignments that could take hours to complete. 7. Take care of your health. Your physical and mental health play a huge role in your ability to focus and succeed in online learning. Sitting in front of a screen for long periods can be tiring and can lead to eye strain, headaches, and burnout. That's why it's important to take care of yourself physically and mentally. Make time for regular breaks. Stand up, stretch, walk around, anything to get your blood flowing. This not only refreshes you, but it also gives your mind a chance to rest. And don't forget to stay hydrated and eat healthy snacks to fuel your brain. Another tip: follow the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. This can reduce eye strain and help prevent the fatigue that comes from staring at a screen for too long. 8. Seek help when needed. Don't be afraid to ask for help when you're struggling. Whether you're not understanding a particular concept or you're falling behind on assignments, it's better to ask for assistance sooner rather than later. Many online platforms offer resources like tutoring, forums, and direct access to instructors, so take advantage of them. Remember, everyone learns at their own pace, and it's okay to ask for clarification or extra help. Sometimes, just hearing the same information explained in a different way can make everything click. If you're looking for additional resources, check out free platforms like Khan Academy, Coursera, or YouTube for supplementary lessons on a variety of subjects. 9th, practice self-discipline. Discipline is the backbone of online learning success. With no one physically present to keep you on track, it's easy to give in to distractions. The key is creating and sticking to a routine, but also being mindful of your time. Set specific blocks of time to focus solely on your coursework. This means turning off your phone, avoiding social media, and resisting the temptation to watch TV. Tools like Stay Focused, Freedom, or Cold Turkey can block distracting websites, allowing you to focus on the task at hand. This will keep you from wasting precious study time and help you build the habit of staying focused. 10. Celebrate your progress. Lastly, make sure to acknowledge your progress, no matter how small. Finished a difficult assignment? Mastered a new topic? Celebrate. Positive reinforcement boosts your motivation and keeps you moving forward. Reward yourself with something you enjoy. Whether that's taking a break, enjoying a favorite snack, or watching an episode of a show you love, it's important to recognize and appreciate your hard work. Online learning doesn't have to be overwhelming. With the right strategies, you can turn virtual classes into a rewarding and fulfilling experience. Follow these tips, stay consistent, and most importantly, remember, you've got this.